What if I told you that in the next 10 minutes, you could have a complete roadmap to start making money from home, potentially earning your first dollar within the next 30 days? You're about to discover the exact strategies I wish someone had shown me when I was stuck in the 9-to-5 grind, dreaming of something more. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which side hustle matches your skills, how to start it with zero upfront investment, and the 3 critical mistakes that kill 90% of home-based businesses before they even get started. So grab a notebook, hit that subscribe button, because we post new money-making strategies every week. And let's turn your spare room into your profit center. Look, I get it. You're probably watching this at the end of a long day, maybe during your lunch break or late at night when everyone else is asleep. You're tired of living paycheck to paycheck. You're tired of asking for time off. You're tired of someone else controlling your income. 3 years ago, I was exactly where you are. Working 40 hours a week, commuting an hour each way, and still struggling to build any real wealth. Then I discovered something that changed everything: the power of home-based side hustles. Today, we're going to cover the 5 most profitable side hustles you can start from home and the step-by-step process to launch any of them. And most importantly, how to avoid the costly mistakes that keep most people stuck in the dreaming phase forever. Before we dive into the specific business ideas, we need to talk about the one thing that separates successful side hustlers from everyone else: mindset. The 3 mindset pillars. Pillar 1, start before you're ready. You don't need a perfect plan. You don't need a fancy website. You don't need thousands of dollars. You need to start with what you have, where you are, right now. Perfect is the enemy of profitable. Pillar 2, solve problems for money. Every successful business solves a problem. Your side hustle isn't about your passion. It's about finding the intersection between what you're good at and what people will pay for. We'll show you exactly how to find this sweet spot. Pillar 3, think systems, not hours. The goal isn't to create another job for yourself. Now that we've got your mind right, let's talk about the moneymakers. Side hustle number 1, digital services consulting. This is my number 1 recommendation because it requires 0 startup costs and can generate income within weeks. What it is, offering your existing skills as services to businesses and individuals online. This could be social media management, graphic design, writing, bookkeeping, virtual assistants, or online tutoring. Getting started, list your current skills and experience. Check Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn for demand in your area. Create a simple profile highlighting your expertise. Start with competitive pricing to build reviews. Average earning potential, $25 to $100 plus per hour. Side hustle number 2, e-commerce and online selling. Whether it's dropshipping, print on demand, or selling products you create, e-commerce continues to explode. 3 approaches: dropshipping, sell products without inventory, using platforms like Shopify; print on demand, create designs for t-shirts, mugs, phone cases through Printful or Printify; handmade products, sell crafts, jewelry, or homemade goods on Etsy or Amazon. Getting started, research trending products in your niche. Set up shop on established platforms first. Focus on one product category initially. Average earning potential, $500 to $5,000 per month. Side hustle number 3, content creation and digital products. Turn your knowledge into passive income streams. Options include online courses teaching your expertise, ebooks or digital guides, stock photography or graphics, YouTube channel or blog with affiliate marketing. Getting started. Identify what knowledge you have that others want. Create one piece of content to test market demand. Use platforms like Teachable, Gumroad, or Canva. Average earning potential, $100 to $10,000 plus. Per month, highly scalable. Side hustle number 4, home-based food business. If you love cooking or baking, your kitchen could be your goldmine. Ideas: meal prep services for busy professionals, specialty baked goods for local events, catering for small gatherings, teaching cooking classes virtually or in person. Getting started, check local cottage food laws and regulations. Start with friends and family as test customers. Use social media to showcase your creations. Average earning potential, $200 to $3,000 plus per month. Side hustle number 5, online coaching and consulting. Package your life experience and expertise into high-value coaching services. coaching niches, fitness and nutrition, career development, financial planning, relationship advice, business strategy, getting started. Define your ideal client and their biggest problem. Offer free strategy sessions to build testimonials. Create a simple coaching package structure. Average earning potential, $50 to $500 per session. Now, you're probably thinking, this all sounds great, but where do I actually start? Here's your 30-day action plan to go from idea to income. Week 1, choose and validate. Pick one side hustle from our list that matches your skills. Spend 2 hours researching demand check, job boards, Facebook groups, competitor analysis. Talk to 5 potential customers about their problems. Validate that people will actually pay for your solution. Week 2, set up shop. Create your basic business setup. This can be as simple as a social media profile. Develop your service packages or product line. Set your pricing. Start competitively to build momentum. Create your first marketing materials. Week 3, launch and test. Make your first 10 outreach attempts. Offer your services to your immediate network. Join relevant online communities and provide value. Track what's working and what isn't. Week 4, optimize and scale. Analyze your first month's results. Double down on what's working. Adjust pricing and positioning based on feedback. Set goals for month 2. Remember, you don't need to be perfect in week 1. You need to be profitable in week 4. Now, let me save you months of frustration by sharing the 3 biggest mistakes I see new side hustlers make. Mistake number 1, trying to do everything at once. Pick one side hustle and master it before adding others. Jack of all trades, master of none, makes no money. Mistake number 2, perfectionism paralysis. Your first website doesn't need to be perfect. Your first service doesn't need to be perfect. Your first customer interaction doesn't need to be perfect. Done is better than perfect. Mistake number 3, underpricing your services. Don't race to the bottom on price. Focus on the value you provide. If you solve a $1,000 problem, charging $100 is fair for everyone involved. Which brings me to the most important part of this entire video. Here's what I want you to do right now, before you watch another video or get distracted by something else. Step 1. Write down which of these 5 side hustles resonates most with you. Step 2. Set a timer for 30 minutes and do one concrete action toward starting it. Step 3. Comment below and tell me which side hustle you're choosing. I read every comment and I'll personally respond with specific advice for your situation. 6 months from now, you're going to be in one of 2 places. Exactly where you are right now, still dreaming about making extra money, or you'll be running a profitable side business that's giving you the freedom and income you've been craving. The only difference between those 2 futures is what you do in the next 30 minutes. If this video helped you see a clear path forward, smash that like button. Subscribe for more money-making content. Your future self is counting on the decision you make right now. Don't let them down.